back to Nazaret's channel, and today I have a video for you. Let's just say your AC is blowing kind of not blowing very good. You feel like there's some restriction of air, or you feel like in your car like a dusty smell. But it's a very simple solution to this. So in case you do feel like there's not much air coming out of the vents, it feels like dusty, smelly, well, we have a air filter, cabin air filter. It's very easy to replace. Cabin air filter located here. Open your glove box. Make sure disconnect this piece, and then and drop this. Push this in on both sides. You push it in, and here is where our cabin air filter is located. It's very easy to replace it. You see these knobs right here? You just push them in. Push them in together. Take this thing up, and you see here it's also a direction. It says how to install it. Up. It shows you up how the filter goes in. This is our air filter, cabin air filter, and let's see how dirty it is. I have never replaced this for 20,000 miles. It's very dirty, and I'm gonna replace it. Let me show you this closer. There's some stuff is in there. It's dirty. It's not supposed to be like this. You see? And if you have a filter like this, it will cause you will smell like dusty air in the cabin. And also sometimes, if it's even worse than this, you might not feel the air blowing very good. So don't panic. Don't have to go to the dealer. You can do it yourself. So now I'm just going to stop by at the store. We're going to buy a new cabin filter and install it. Takes 2 minutes to do this. Back from the dealership, I got this cabin air filter. This is the part number 87139-0R030. Bought it for $19, and in any other auto parts store if I went, I paid about the same price. So I decided to go with the original Toyota cabin air filter. Take your old cabin filter and take this out of this plastic frame. It's very nasty, very nasty. So there's, and let's put the new one in. Before you put this into this plastic frame, as you see, it says it shows you arrow and it says up. Same thing here on this plastic frame, it says up. This is the same way we're going to install it. Make sure up is up. Goes like this. And we're good to insert it. That's it. Take this door, plastic door, and also shows you up. Align these edges, these corners. So once you insert the filter and close this door, make sure it's pointing up. Now we're gonna close our glove box and make sure you put this part back, and we're done. I'm gonna start the car and see how the air blows. AC is on. Beautiful. Fresh air, and it's blowing nicely. You can feel that it's much better than before. You can definitely tell the difference. I also have a vent back here. Beautiful. So guys and girls, now you know how simple it is to replace your cabin air filter in this 2019-2021 Toyota Rav4. And if you have a dusty cabin, smells kind of funny, first thing, replace the cabin filter. Thank you for watching this quick video. I hope this was helpful. And let me show you again the part number. This is the part number. $19 I paid for this at the Toyota dealership original. Do not buy this online. When you buy this online, they have a bunch of counterfeit companies. Go to the dealer. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.